You might have lots of conversion paths that you want to monitor, but very little resources to do so. Setting up journeys and automating your QA implementation can take a lot of manpower and time that you may not have to give. Script Services is a team that will build and monitor journeys for you to make sure they are running accurately, collecting the data that you expect, and running on the right cadence. It's like having an extra set of hands on your team to help manage your QA. Here's how this service works. Instead of building yourself, you define the journeys you want tracked, the events to validate on those journeys, and you submit those to our team and they do the rest. Anytime you see a journey fail, you can request a journey fix and it'll be back up and running in no time. You can also select journeys that you want us to monitor, and Script Services will ensure those journeys are operating as you expect. Script Services is a great resource to help you build out and monitor your journeys so that you can ensure your QA testing is robust and accurate, even if you don't have the time or manpower to do it yourself.